We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can check your device name on this DJI RSC 2 gimbal. So practically there are two ways you can do that. You can either check your device name through the gimbal interface, so open settings by pressing the left side dial, then find the advanced options. Here go into Other, then Device Info, and here you'll find the device name that is, well, DJI RSC2, and then all those letters and numbers that follow. When it comes to checking your device name through the app, you'll need to obviously, well, launch the app first, the running app. Here go into Status, or excuse me, not Status, of course, go into this additional menu, About menu, by tapping at the three horizontal lines here. Then go into device list, and here's the device name, and moreover, not only you can check it here, you can also, well, change it. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.